Hello, and welcome to my overview. I'm gonna kind of treat this like a Scrum overview or Agile, just because I kind of gotten used to that. So this is my project, Pirates versus Ninja. It's gonna be a text-based game since that's all I know what to do, uh, and considering it's C++, you know. So here we got this is the global variables. I didn't want to do global variables too much because I wanted to use some header files, but it was kind of getting complicated. And I didn't want to go over something that I didn't already know too much since I found out that there's been quite a few changes um, to the C++ language since I took it about 10 years ago or more. Um, so Uh, coming back into this, it started getting pretty familiar thanks to the C sharp class that I had with you, Jill. So these are the two class constructors that I have in the int main. Decided to do a game state, so that way it's just going to continuously run with the game state being set as true in the variable state in the int main right here. So bool set up as game state set as a bool and a bool set as true, which is going into here, which we'll get to at the very end since it's a very long one. And then here, this is just a test variable actually, so I can get done out. And here's a little title screen that I have coming through the C out uh, operation with a new line multiple times to make it look nice. Maybe coming down into here where the player gets to select whether they want to play as a ninja or a pirate in starting of the game with the CN operation here coming in, grabbing the player's input. Here is a switch statement that I created for the player selection. I had a little bit of trouble trying to get this going because I didn't want to have it set as a kind of an int up here, or I mean a char, because I wanted to be able to get to test it right away, but we just started doing the exceptions now, so and this is kind of late this since this is the first assignment. So we're I have the switch coming in with the cases here. The first case here is the Ninja, which is also sets the parameters or resets the parameters from the constructor, so that way I can get the selected name put in there after the player selects which name they want to put in. Right now it's currently set as a string, which hopefully I'll get changed soon enough to a get line when I get that functioning properly. Um, so yeah, this was just copy and paste it down here and change a little bit for a pirate, and changing the ninja to the pirate class right here. So that was pretty quick. Uh, Going to another switch statement for the game states because I have a separate kind of mission for whatever character, for each type of character that there is. This is also testing both to make sure whether if the player dies or the enemy dies will end this loop. And then we come down here into which I had trouble for quite a few days trying to get working properly. I didn't know why it wasn't working properly. Thank you, Jill, for helping me out on there. And here is my little fight sequence. So right here is going to test whether you're going to want to attack or dodge. Dodge will uh, let the player not get attacked, but it's based on your strength. And the strength is set to a 5 because I have it minusing 1 for each time that you're going to use it. Right now it's set to 5. So you can dodge 5 times without getting attacked. Once you hit, once you go, once you lose it is going into this if statement here and checking whether, or actually it checks whether the if statement is set with 0. If you have 0, it's not going to let you do anymore. And it'll come down here, and if it is 0, what it's going to do is going to hit the player and take 30 points off the player. It's going to be like, kind of like a critical strike from the enemy. And then once it tests this, if the player has already been killed, it'll end the statement here, which should be moved down. Wrong bracket. All right. And then it goes into the break. And then this is the second mission for the pirate. So the pirate's going to say, swing your sword or dodge the ninja stars because your docks are being attacked by ninjas. A ninja runs forward and tries to attack. And here we go into the same stuff. It's going to print out each time the current health for the player and the current health for the enemy. It goes in the same statements here. And then we come down here to my ending. So the ending right here is going to say game over, would you like to play? If yes, it goes into ending equals 1. Game state will be set to true so that it loops one more time through. And if you don't want to, it's going to say, thanks for playing Pirates vs. Ninjas. It's going to be created by Kyle Visser. So that is that. Here we have the character class. This is the header file for the character class. And then I have the character class, or the base character class, CPP, right there. This is the constructor for the base character class. Coming in with the string here, uh, which is pointing to the character in a CPP file. And we have the uh, void set name and get names because these are protected. So we're gonna have to access them through the public, which is gonna be get and set through the private. And it goes down here, and then we have our functions for the talk, um, where I didn't really implement it yet because I didn't want the characters talking just yet. We're going to be doing that, and when it comes into the exceptions, when I have him saying for each error, I'm going to have the character say, "Whoa, arr, can't do that, mighty," or something like that. I don't know, but I don't know yet. We'll see. It's gonna be adding. So this is the base character class, CPP, and we're coming in and checking, making sure that everything's set to be validated. And then we're also changing the character name so that way it comes into the variable list here under the character constructor. And we're doing this for every single variable coming in. And here we go into the set and get. This is where we're setting it and getting it from a string. Set health has a function for your dead. In case it gets to 0, it's going to print out once you're dead, or once it hits 0, you're dead. And we'll see that pop up. And set strength, we're coming down to the attacks, or the getting set for the attack amounts, which are plugged into the main variable on the constructors. Then we have the talking. The cout's going to say whatever was printed or what was ever put into the string variable here, stuff to say. And then same with the character name. All it's going to do is just print the character name before the stuff to say, saying like, hey, who's saying what. And we have the character attacks, and then the display, printing off whatever we needed. So when the character was created, after it's created, when we have the printing, this is what it's going to show up on some of it. All right, now we have the pirate class header file right here. This is coming in, and this was a newer thing that I didn't know about since it changed, was the using base constructor. I didn't know. I thought we had to create a new constructor, but thanks to a new update, uh, using character base using character base class object constructors. So in here we have the overrides for the attack coming from the base character, and we're overriding that and changing that in the CPP file. Let's get into that. So here is the throw stars was my initial one that I wanted to try and test out. Um, I'm still thinking of how I'm going to do this. I would like to implement it this way so I don't have to have so much mess in my main. And we're going to get into that because I have a whole section here that I was trying to do. Yeah, but otherwise, this is the only thing that we're implementing right now is this attack. And then we'll go into the ninja, which is the same I had for swing sword. So yeah, trying to get this implemented was quite a pain in the butt, I gotta say. So we're gonna get that done. But otherwise, we're still doing the same thing with the attack. And the ninja class is the same here. And let's get this running. Debug. Start out debugging. Since I already know this works. And here we go. So we're gonna do Pyrock. You selected a ninja. Or my bad, I selected ninja. What is your ninja's name? We're gonna say Kyle. Cool. Here we go. Player name equals Kyle. Player health equals 100. Player strength equals 5. Your village is being attacked by pirates. A pirate runs forward and tries to attack. Throw a ninja star or dodge a pirate attack. We're gonna throw the ninja star. Bam. So now we have character health is 85, enemy health is 75. Throw a ninja star or dodge a pirate attack. I'm gonna dodge it this time. Character health is still 85. Enemy health is 75. Great dodge. You only have enough strength for 4 more dodges. Now get ready. Throw a ninja star or dodge a pirate attack. Attack. 70 health now. Throw a ninja star or dodge a pirate attack. Again. Again. Pirate is dead. Game over. Would you like to play again? Say yes. We're gonna do a pirate this time. Just look at a pirate. What is your pirate's name? Say Arg. Your docks are being attacked by ninjas. A ninja runs forward and tries to attack. Swing your sword. Swing your sword or dodge a ninja star. You're gonna swing. Swing again. Dodge. Swing. Dodge. 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 Arr. You have 55 health now. Arr. Killed him. Then we're gonna go to no. And it says, thanks for playing Pirates vs. Ninjas, created by Kyle Visser. And that is my program. I like to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a good night. Thanks.